हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो चलिए आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 24 फरवरी 2022 का जो भी लेटेस्ट टॉप करंट अफेयर है। ठीक है, तो आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया अभी तक तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आरबीआई अनाउंसेस डॉलर और रुपी 2 ईयर सेल बाय स्वैप ऑक्शन। ओके, सो ये क्या है ना, आरबीआई अनाउंस्ड RBI announced US dollar or rupee 2-year sell by swap auction with a view to elongation the maturity profile of its forward book and smoothing receivable relating to forwarding assets. Okay. That is, central bank will undertake a sell or buy swap auction of 5 billion. Okay. तो आरबीआई यहाँ पे क्या है ना, आरबीआई कंडक्ट ए स्पॉट सेल टू सेल USD 5 billion, okay, to bank in exchange of rupee, okay, on March 10, 2022. March 10, 2022. Okay, RBI conduct a spot sell to sell USD 5 billion to bank in exchange of rupee. Okay. Okay, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट इज पेटीएम पेमेंट्स बैंक is now official acquiring partner for e-rupee voucher. Okay, so it is tie up with e-rupee voucher, that is Paytm Payment Bank Limited has announced that official acquiring partner for e-rupee voucher. Okay, this is the government initiative. Okay, government initiative that is also a cashless prepaid voucher that beneficiary can represent via SMS or QR code. Okay, so Paytm's merchant partner can then scan, enter the amount to be paid and receive the payment directly in their bank account. Okay, so this is also available in all formal banking service or smartphone to avail the convenience of digital payment. Okay, so Paytm founded in 2015. Okay, Paytm founded in 2015 and headquartered at Noida, UP. Okay, then founder or CEO is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Vijay Shekhar Sharma. He is the CEO or founder of Paytm. Okay, and founded in 2015, headquartered at Noida, UP. Okay, this is all about your Paytm. So next चलिए, रूसिया यूक्रेन बॉर्डर कंप्लीट लाइव अपडेट विथ ऑल डेट्स. सो यहाँ पे जो लाइव अपडेट में अलग एक वीडियो में डाल दूँगी. ठीक है, तो अभी तो हमारा वार शुरू हो चुका है. तो ठीक है, तो मैं अगले वीडियो से यहाँ पे जो अपडेट है ना, लाइव अपडेट मैं आप डाल दूँगी यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे क्या है ना, रूसिया यूक्रेन बॉर्डर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट have been simmering for more than 2 months with diplomatic effort to resolve the issue showing little sign of progress. Russia has more than 1 lakh troops on its border with Ukraine, sparking Western warning of an invasion. So I will discuss the live update in another video. Okay, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट इज SAAF and National Cross Country Athletic Championship to be held in Nagaland. Okay, so South Asia SAAF, that is your South Asian Athletic Federation. Okay, championship and 56th National Cross Country Athletic Championship from 26th of the next month in Kohima. Okay. So name of the mascot is Akmeji. Okay. This is a conation of a wild ambination derived from Sumi. Okay. Dialect of Naga tribe, which exemplified the ambition of new generation of Naga youth. Right. So Chief Minister of Nagaland. Chief Minister of Nagaland is Nefurio. Okay. Nefurio. And Governor of Nagaland is Governor Jagdish Mukhi. Okay, so Jagdish Mukhi. Right. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट. संजीव सन्याल named full-time member of Economic Advisory Council to PM. Okay, Sanjeev Sanyal has been induced as the full-time member of Economic Advisory Council to Prime Minister. Economic Advisory Council to Prime Minister. Okay, full-time member of. This is announced by Finance Ministry Principal Economic Advisor. Okay, the panel chairman Vivek Devroy announced. Okay, panel's chairman Vivek Devroy announced. So appointment is for a tenure of 2 years. This is for only 2 years. Okay, he had advised the Finance Ministry to devise economic policy during pandemic. Okay, so Sanyal was appointed as Finance Ministry Principal Economic Advisor on February 2017. Okay, Finance Ministry Principal Economic Advisor in 2017. Right. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट इज मास्टरकार्ड टाई ऑफ विथ SBI पेमेंट्स टू बूस्ट डिजिटल पेमेंट infrastructure. So Mastercard as an extension of its flagship championship team Cashless India. Okay, along with State Bank of India payment partnered with in Lucknow, Guwahati and Varanasi. Okay, to boost the digital payment infrastructure. Okay, so during this engagement, Mastercard team Cashless India volunteers and SBI payment spoke to micro merchant about the convenience, safety and other benefit of accepting digital payment. Okay, so ये जो Mastercard है founded in 16 December 1966. Okay, and a headquarter at New York, US, United States. Okay, and the CEO Michael Mebich. The CEO of Mastercard. Okay. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट इज RBI conjunction public against using car pulling up S-Ride. Okay, Reserve Bank of India. The public against car pulling up S-Ride. Okay, the caution against S-Ride app, that is stating that this firm was operating a semi-closed prepaid instrument. Okay, semi-closed prepaid instrument without receiving authorization from the central bank under Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. Right? So RBI concerns public against using car pulling up our sites. Okay, the next is GOI launches the Jan Bhagidari Empowerment Portal in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so central government launched the Jan Bhagidari Empowerment Portal in Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir in the line with the government digital mission. Okay, the portal was hosted on a different server with higher bandwidth in order to provide easy and ready accessibility in general public. ओके, सो जम्मू कश्मीर गवर्नर है मनोज सिन्हा, गवर्नर ऑफ जम्मू कश्मीर मनोज सिन्हा. ओके, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट इज यूनियन मिनिस्टर गिरिराज सिंह रिलीजेस रूरल कनेक्टिविटी GIS डाटा इन पब्लिक डोमेन. ओके, गिरिराज सिंह, he is the Union Minister for Rural Development and Panchayat Raj. Okay, has released the rural connectivity GIS data in public domain. Right, Giriraj Singh. Okay, released rural connectivity GIS data in public domain. Okay, this data include the GIS data for more than 8 lakh rural facilities. Okay, which have been collected, digitalized using the GIS platform developed for the PMGSY, that is your Prime Minister Gramya Sadak Yojana. Okay, other than Giriraj Singh, other union minister like Fagan Singh and Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti were also present at the release event. Okay. Right, so that is all about your Union Minister Giriraj Singh release rural connectivity GIS data in public domain. So next is India to set up its first IIT outside the country in UAE. Okay, IIT in Indian Institute of Technology will establish its first branch outside India in United Arab Emirates as part of the India-UAE trade deal signed. Okay, so the comprehensive economic partnership agreement signed between UAE and India. Okay, so the comprehensive economic partnership agreement, this is signed between UAE and India. Okay, will use in a new phase of joint strategic cooperation in all sectors. So two nations will also set up an India-UAE cultural council to facilitate and promote cultural project across cultural exchange and exhibition. Okay, so चलिए next is your Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh become 100th Har Ghar Jal district. Okay, Jal 7 mission has achieved the significant milestone of provide tap water to every home of 100 districts across the country, that is Chamba in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, has become the 100th Har Ghar Jal district. Okay, the 5th aspiration district to be covered under the initiative. Right, the other 4 Har Ghar Jal aspirational district are Bhadadri Kothagudem, okay, Jayasankar, Bhupalpalli, and Komram Bhim Asifabad, all in Telangana. Okay, and Mewat in Haryana. Okay, Mewat. So Himachal Pradesh becomes 100 हर घर जल डिस्ट्रिक्ट. ओके तो चलिए नेक्स्ट इज ड्रेजिंग म्यूजियम निकरसन सदन inaugurated by the Union Minister Sarbanand Sonowal. Okay, so Sarbanand Sonowal, who is the Indian Union Minister for Port, Shipping and Waterways, okay, and Ayush, has inaugurated Nickerson Sadan. That is the dredging museum at DCI campus in Visakhapatnam. Okay. This museum display model of different type of treasure, vintage photos and historical milestone from the eastern port city of Vizag. Okay, that is in Visakhapatnam. Okay, तो चलिए नेक्स्ट इज renowned Malayalam actress KPAC Lalita passed away. So she has at 74 age, okay, and career spanning 5 decades. She stars in over 550 films in Malayalam and Tamil. And born as Manishwari Amma in Kayakulam office. Okay, the next is PM Cares for Children scheme extended by Center till 28th February 2022. So PM Cares for Children scheme has been extended by the Ministry of Women and Child Development of the Government of India till February 28, extended till February 28, 2022. Previously this is in December 31, 2021, but this is now extended February 28, 2022. Okay. So this is the all children. This is facilitated for all children who have suffered. The first point is if they lost both parent, okay, during COVID, due to COVID-19 pandemic, okay, and the children most under 18, okay, and parent from 11 March 2022, the day on which WHO proclaimed that COVID is a pandemic, defined as COVID as a pandemic, okay. So those who are eligible can now be registered in PM Care for Children scheme till February 28, 2022. Okay. So चलिए next is Reliance Jio new subsea cable India Asia Express to connect Maldives. So Reliance Jio Infocom Limited will land the next generation multi-terabyte India Asia Express, okay, cable system in Al Hamel, Maldives. So high capacity and high speed IAX system will connect Hamel directly with world's major internet hubs in India and Singapore. Okay, that is Jio, Reliance Jio. Okay. तो जो मालदीव्स का कैपिटल कहाँ पे है ना, मालदीव्स का कैपिटल, ओके, एंड प्रेसिडेंट इब्राहिम मोहम्मद सोली प्रेसिडेंट, ओके, किसका, मालदीव्स का, इब्राहिम मोहम्मद सोली. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट चलिए IIT Roorkee launched किसान मोबाइल ऐप इन उत्तराखंड. Indian Institute of Technology, Rocky, okay, has organized a regional farmer awareness program that is the part of Gramin Krishi Mausam Seva, okay, project and launch Kisan mobile application for the farmers. Okay, the farmer from Haridwar, Dehradun and Pauri Garhwal district participate in this program. राइट, दैट इज आपका नेम क्या है ना, किसान मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन फॉर फार्मर. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट इज इंडिया रेटिंग्स. हाँ, रेटिंग्स डिक्रीजेस GDP ग्रोथ एट 8.6% फॉर FY22. दिस इज डिक्रीज, हाँ, फोरकास्ट फॉर 2021 to 22 to 8.6% फ्रॉम census 9.2% project earlier. Okay, so the GDP growth rate of 8.6% down from the 9.2%. Okay, so next is Central Excise Day. This is celebrated in 24 February. Okay, this day being celebrated to honor the service of Central Board of Excise and Custom to the country. Okay, the day is celebrated to honor the officer associated with CBEC and their service. CBEC is Central Board of Excise and Custom. The day is celebrated to commemorate the legislation of the Central Excise and Salt Act on 24 February 1944. Okay, so Central Excise Day is celebrated to raise awareness about the contribution of Central Excise officer among the central public of the country. Okay, so chairman of CBEC is Vivek Johri. Okay, and founded in 1 January 1964. Okay, so this is all about your Central Excise Day. ओके, सो आज के लिए इतना ही है. तो आप लोगों को मेरे वीडियो अच्छे लगे तो शेयर कर लीजिए और लाइक भी कर दीजिए एंड मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. ओके, लास्ट तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.